Let me ask you a very interesting question. Are there any skills which we are supposed to be developing lifelong? Which means that there are skills wherein we have been developing and we will have to develop, we will have to keep working on it. There is no perfectionism that we have arrived at it. It is not that it is conclusive and we have perfected it. There is no cease for these particular skills. Are there any skills like this where we just need to keep developing irrespective of whether we are children, we are adults, we are working professionals, or we are really old and being in the evening of life? It's a very interesting question to be posing ourselves. What are those skills that we will have to just keep working on so that we become more matured, we become more refined with these particular skills? Today, let me give you those top 5 skills that has no cease point, which we will have to keep working on it. The very first skill that all of us will have to emphasize on is about the self-awareness. It's a very first wing of emotional intelligence. Irrespective of whichever age you are, you will have to be, we will all have to be self-aware about our emotions, about our behavior that we display, about the perspectives we develop, about the biases that we actually have inculcated or we display. The self-awareness becomes an extremely important skill as a part of the human matured life as we go further. What about the second skill that we need to be developing across life is about self-directed learning. We will have to engage in the learning in any form for that matter, whether it's a form of a reading, whether it's a form of expressing ourselves, or in the form of listening or seeing. Any of these aspects where it is a self-directed, engage yourself in the learning, the learning aspect of it. When it comes to the kind of the third skill, what is that third skill that we will have to just keep developing, which would refine step by step as we go forward, or which will refine itself, which will become more mature itself, is about fostering the creativity and the way we would imagine. So it's very important that we are creative in nature, whether it can be a solution, it can be an innovation for any of the challenges that we face. But creativity is extremely important for all of our lives across the width, that it is important as a part of the skill that you foster, that you nurture that kind of an imagination for the things around us. While we were kids, it is obvious that we are pretty imaginative, but as we grow older, fostering those creativity, unless and until there is a conscious effort, we try to put a cease to that. So let's not do that. That's the third skill that we will have to ensure that we develop lifelong. What about the fourth skill that a lifelong that happens to be developed is critical thinking. The critical thinking is more from the reasoning perspective, from the logical end, and from analytical angle. So how evaluative are you for the things that you do, and also for the decisions that you take, and also how critically are you looking at the minute details and observe and take into the consideration, think about it in a very data oriented, information oriented, and a very logical, rational aspect around it. This is something that we cannot just say that we have arrived at the destination to have developed it. At last, the very fifth skill is a part of communication, the way we would express. Communication, there is no destination. There is nothing like we have arrived and we are absolutely brilliant at communication. So it's all about how do we develop the communication in the various different angles, and this is one of the top 5 skills that we will have to focus on as we go forward, and there is nothing like we have consummated it completely and we have developed it completely. I think these top 5 skills becomes extremely important. At CRISAIRS, we work on all these skills from childhood or the kind of the adults as a part of our life skills. Please go ahead to visit our website, the CRISAIRS, CRECERS.in, and look at our life skills program. It is a certification program across, available both interactive and also online. So you can register at the CRISAIRS.in for more information and approaches for any of these queries or challenges that you face with developing these particular skills. Thank you.